Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy, Mr.Viral. Baby a little sad because it's Valentine's Day and I ain't got no Valentine's. Your baby was getting a little lit right here, man. We drinking some soju, you know what I'm saying? And I wanted a little snack, you know what I'm saying? It's like 3 in the morning right now. Like 3 in the morning and wanted a PBJ. But of course we ain't got no jelly. So we gonna improvise. You know, grapes, jam. Grapes is jam. Grapes is jelly. So we gonna try this peanut butter and jelly sandwich out. And I like the crunchy peanut butter. If you don't like the crunchy peanut butter, you ain't doing it right, bro. You gotta have the crunchy peanut butter. I used to like the soft, but now the crunchy, you know what I'm saying? It just gives it that crunch. It tastes better. All right, so let's try it out, man. Uh, let's try it on both. I like extra peanut buttery, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna put peanut butter on this side too. Bada bing, bada boom. Then we're gonna take some grapes. They're juicy. I cleaned them too. You gotta always clean them. And we're just gonna put them on here like this. Right? Grape jelly. You know what I'm saying? Bada bing, bada boom. We're just gonna stuff these in there too. Like this. Alright. Try this out. Put this over top. Now let's try this peanut butter and jelly sandwich out. Hold on, I gotta take a quick white tea pick. Good enough. Oh well, we just gonna eat that right there. Cheers. Low key, don't taste too bad. I mean, it don't got the full peanut butter and jelly sandwich, taste, but it's still buzz. That bitch buzz. For a late night high drunk snack. I'm gonna give it a 7. 7 out of 10. I just want to try you the new, struggle meal. If you ain't got no jam or jelly, just use some grapes, man. You already know what it is, man. It's your boy, Mr.Viral from Second on Michigan, represent 989 all day, man. Your boy, Mr.Viral from Second on Michigan, represent 989 all day, man. Let's get it.